Infinix Note 30 5G offers some impressive features, and we are going to take a closer look at what makes it stand out from the crowd. Now let's jump right into it. First and foremost, the Infinix Note 30 5G boasts a generous 6.78-inch display with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. You are in for a treat when it comes to visuals. Whether you are gaming, watching videos, or simply browsing, this display will not disappoint. Running on 130 and Infinix XOS 30, this phone offers a seamless and user-friendly experience. You will have access to all the latest features and customization options to tailor your device to your preference. Powering the Infinix Note 30 5G is the MediaTek MT8781 Helio G99 chipset, known for its impressive performance. This chipset is perfect for multitasking, gaming, and ensuring a snappy experience for all your smartphone needs. When it comes to storage, you have options. You can choose from 128GB with 8GB of RAM, or double your storage to 256GB with 8GB of RAM. This flexibility allows you to pick the right configuration to meet your needs. The Note 30 5G is equipped with two 64-megapixel wide-angle cameras on the back, ensuring that your photos and videos are captured with stunning detail. There's also a 2-megapixel depth sensor for those artistic portrait shots. On the front, you'll find a 16-megapixel wide-angle camera for high-quality selfies and video calls. Staying connected is a breeze with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And if you're a fan of FM radio, you'll be pleased to know that it's included. Additionally, the device supports USB Type-C for charging and data transfer. The phone features a range of sensors, including a fingerprint sensor for quick and secure access, an accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and a compass, ensuring that your device is equipped with all the necessary tools for a great user experience. Now let's talk about battery life. The Infinix Note 30 5G comes with a robust 5000 mAh battery, and it boasts an impressive endurance rating of 119 hours. This means you can use your phone for days without the constant worrying of recharging. This phone is all about style too. It's available in 3 attractive colors: Magic Black, Interstellar Blue, and Sunset Gold. Choose the one that matches your personal style the best. Last but not least, the Infinix Note 30 5G offers all these fantastic features at a very competitive price of just $300. This makes it a compelling option for those looking for an affordable yet feature-packed smartphone. Let us know in the comment section what you like about this phone. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next video.